What's up, guys? It's Seth bringing you another video, and I wanted to talk about Mega. The main reason is that a lot of you, for whatever reason, probably have not heard about Mega. Basically, just kind of condensed version of what it is without all the backstory, which there's tons if you want to look it up and look up Kim.com, who founded it. There's tons of stuff to learn and very interesting stuff as well. But the service itself is a cloud drive service similar to things like Dropbox or Google Drive or SkyDrive and all those different drive services that offer cloud storage. However, Mega is 10 times faster. Uploads and downloads for me were around 2 times faster. The interface is amazing. I'll go into these things a little bit more in depth in a second. Tons of space to start out with, and it's very cheap for upgrading if you need to. So the first thing that I do want to address is the speed. When I was uploading files, no matter how big they were, even, entire video files of like 10-minute videos, which, hundreds of megabytes and whatnot, those were uploading in, insane amount of, time. Basically, put it this way, Mega is not going to limit your uploads or downloads in any way, shape, or form for the most part. Whatever your internet service provider can handle, it's going to output that and result in those speeds on Mega. So you're really not limited by anything other than your internet service provider. So, sometimes with Google Drive or SkyDrive, it's very, tedious and slow to upload certain files, and especially larger ones. So that is really annoying on those services. Not an issue on Mega from what I've, used it for so far. Mind you, I am fairly new to the service. I did want to make a video, quickly after starting to really use it a lot, which I have recently, but just overall it's really awesome. The interface, as you can see, is amazingly clean. I have it on the contacts area right now, but this is the main area for your file manager. So you just have like the cloud drive and then your folders. You can make new folders, upload files, or upload entire folders from your computer. And then you can also basically, the way that this works is that also if privacy is of major concern for you, then Mega is absolutely by far the best service to use for cloud drive services, because everything is, the encryption is 10 times harder to crack than any other encryption on any other service that I have seen so far. There are probably some obscure cloud services out there that have even, tougher encryption, but .com himself is really all about, safety and, precaution, when it comes to privacy. So that's really what translated into, creating Mega, which is extremely secure, and your files are going to be safe. In my honest opinion, I'm kind of putting my own little guarantee on this, that your files are going to be safe from intrusion from anybody out there, in pretty much any scenario that could possibly arise. And then you can see I was originally going to get at the URL you can click on, and then you can see it there. I didn't want to give you like the URL quickly to all my stuff, even though you could probably pause the video. Whatever, it's just a folder of random stuff, not a big deal. Okay, so the other thing, very snappy. So when you're switching between stuff, it's very fast. There's no load times or anything like that. There's no loading. Really, probably 0.1 or so, seconds for loading. That's really awesome. Messages you can even do here. You can add messages if you need to, and then contacts. You can add contacts for storing them in a secure area, because a lot of times you have entire contacts lists that you simply cannot live without. So it's really nice to back those up in a cloud server. Going on to the tons of space. So, wrong thing. My account. So, this is free. I am not on, a paid account by any means, but look at that. 50 gigabytes. 50. From pretty much any other cloud service right now, you're getting around 10 max. So 50, that's insane. 99% of people will not need to ever upgrade their service on Mega. 50 gigabytes is storing more than enough than you could possibly need, unless you are, backing up every video file you have, onto Mega. Then you're really going to be fine. Documents, that's going to take you forever. Even music, entire music libraries, it's going to take you forever to fill up 50 gigabytes. So honestly, you'll have no issue there, and 99% of the time you will not have to upgrade by any means. However, The last thing I do want to talk about is that if you do want to upgrade, wait for this to load. This is like the one area that actually has to load for a second. So there are 3 packages: Pro, Pro 2, and then Pro 3. So that comes out to, Pro 1 is 500 gigabytes of storage, 1 terabyte of bandwidth, and then $9.99 per month, and that's in, euros or whatever. But it's pretty much the same as, USD. So it's around $100 a year for that much space, 500 gigabytes. That's insane. Then the second one scales up a little bit, about doubles in price, 2 terabytes of storage, 4 terabytes of bandwidth, and $19.99 a month. So it actually quadruples in storage and bandwidth, but only doubles in price. And then again, pretty much the same story with Pro 3, the highest end one, which is around $300 a year, 4 terabytes of storage, and then 8 terabytes of bandwidth. So just think about that. Not only is it cheaper with all the extra storage that you could get from another service like SkyDrive or Google Drive or whatever you want to use previously, this is going to be the best by far. And, other than that, that's about it. So make sure to go sign up on Mega if you need a cloud service, and I'll talk to you guys there. Bye.